In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see saved items on Facebook Marketplace. If you use Marketplace to browse for furniture, electronics, or local deals, you've probably tapped the save button so you can come back later. Knowing exactly where those saved listings live makes it easy to compare options, check price drops, and message sellers when you're ready. Here's the cleanest, most reliable way to pull up everything you've saved. Start by going straight to facebook.com/marketplace in your browser. This link opens Marketplace directly, which is helpful if Facebook loads your newsfeed first. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so Marketplace can load your personalized view. Once Marketplace is open, make sure you're actually looking at the Marketplace interface. If you landed on the Facebook homepage instead, click Marketplace from the main navigation to switch over. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the Marketplace categories, your location and distance filters, and a grid of local listings. Next, open your Marketplace profile. Look for your profile picture or a small circular profile icon within the Marketplace header or sidebar. Clicking this brings up your personal Marketplace dashboard, which groups everything tied to your activity, like your listings, purchases, and saved items. From your Marketplace profile, select Saved. This is the hub for every listing you've bookmarked. Here, you'll see a scrollable list of items you saved, usually with the seller's photo, title, price, and distance. If something you saved has sold or the seller removed it, it may appear as unavailable or disappear entirely, so don't worry if a few favorites are missing over time. Inside Saved, you can click any item to reopen the full listing, review photos, and contact the seller. If your list is getting crowded, remove things you're no longer considering by clicking the bookmark or save icon again to unsave. Keeping this space tidy makes it easier to act quickly when a great deal pops up. A couple of tips to streamline your search. Watch for price changes on saved items, since sellers sometimes lower prices to move inventory. If you like to stay organized, you can use Facebook's Save features to group items into collections, which is handy when you're comparing similar products. And if you're using the Facebook mobile app, the path is the same idea. Open Marketplace, go to your Marketplace profile, then tap Saved. That's all you need to reliably find your saved Marketplace items. Thanks for watching, and happy hunting.